Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start chapter number 5 from the book First Flight. The name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses 1. Now, over here in the before you read corner found that it is a story of immigrants who actually migrated from different parts of the world, and because of their ethnicity they settled to the different parts, and they always face the biasness, always face the double standard of the words towards them. So later, after such a long time, their own country, that is Poland, being established. So earlier it is a story of a girl, and she is also the protagonist of the story. The name of the girl is Wanda Petronuski. But the parallel, there are two more characters, Madeline and also Peggy. So, as you all know, that Peggy and Madeline both are best friends. They always live with each other, they always be a part of each other, but they also share a very bad habit. And what they are doing, that there is a girl, her name is Wanda Petronuski. She is actually belongs to the Boggins Height, which is not believe a good part of the city, or it is just a part which where sophisticated people does not want to go. So she always came there from that part, and just came. She's having only one dress, blue faded. It's not dirty, it's clean dress, and does not having very good quality of shoes even. So she just came very silently, sat in the corner of the last bench, and that definitely everybody know that last benchers were not very famous for their intellectual. They are very famous for their notorious habits. So but the Wanda does not belong to that group. But why she loved to sat down to that part of the bench and to that part of the class, the reason is that she is not having very good friends, she is not having very good communication skill, she is not having very common English names like Peter, Smith, and all such kind of names which present in the chapter. And also the things, she is having only one dress. So she regularly came and sat down to the corner. And there are two girls, I told you earlier, Peggy and Maddie. Madeline means Maddie. So Peggy and Maddie, what they were doing, they were making fun of Wanda regularly, because she first do not have the common English names. And the another thing is, every day they ask the same question, how many dresses you have. So instead of Wanda making any shy or any try to hiding, she just answered very clearly without any hesitation. She having 100 dresses, and all are lined up in the closet, and also 60 pairs of shoes, and dresses were made of velvet, silk, and all other fabrics which were very costly. So definitely it was a lie for Peggy and Maddie. So what they were doing, they were making fun. Regularly the same fun, regularly they are actually trying to embarrass the girl. But Wanda never being embarrassed, and she answered the same thing regularly. But on the contrary, the two friends, Peggy and Maddie, there is also a difference between them, the class difference. Class difference means, you know, the difference on the basis of economy. Peggy is actually a girl which belongs to a very affluent class, rich class family, and she is looking very beautiful, having curly hairs, and also very popular in the school. On the other hand, Maddie is her best friend, but she does not belong to that class. She belongs to the very what we call the lower middle class, and whatever the clothes she was wearing was actually the clothes which donated by the different people. Especially whatever the dresses Peggy did not want to wear, her mother used to donate it to Maddie. So Maddie's mother, what she was doing? She was doing some trimming, some patches, and some kind of adding beauty in that dress, so that nobody could recognize that dress in the classroom. So there was a class difference. Still, they are making fun of the girl who belongs to a very poor class. That is Wanda. So this is the reason that is why Maddie never likes that she want to stop Peggy, that stop it, this is not a good thing that we are making fun of Wanda regularly. But one thing happens that actually stops Maddie from teasing Peggy to the Wanda, and that is the reason that they were very best friend, and she never want to upset her friend. And one more thing, that is actually Peggy every time raises the question that when Wanda knows that it's a lie, she is not having 100 dresses in her closet as well as 60 pair of shoes, then why she keep on saying this? She mentioned that she's having a very blue dress which looks velvet, and also the green dress which is having the red sash. So all these descriptions which she regularly make is making her liar. So what the Peggy and Maddie doing? Well, Maddie is not a very much part of that teasing part, bullying part. On the other hand, Peggy was voluntarily doing this regularly. So one day, Maddie wants to stop her, but she was unable to do this. So there was a sudden change in the classroom. A teacher announced the competition is going to be held in the class for their showing their creativity, and that creativity actually going to be judged through the award. So for boys section, they gave them to design a motorcycle, and on the other hand, for the girls section, they gave them the assignment of making the beautiful dress. So everyone was sure that whatever the entries they are going to make, it was being rejected, because Peggy is always the winner of such type of competitions. So over here they also believe that Peggy is going to be win this prize again, and Peggy was also being very confident. She made it a beautiful dress. She cut the face of a celebrity, also paste in that dress and submitted. So one day when the teacher was actually looking for the announcement of the result, at that time they were missing, that everyone is in there in the classroom, but Wanda was not there, because she never talked to anyone, so nobody cares that Wanda is even in the classroom. So or even she is their classmate, so nobody cares, only the Maddie cares, who is actually thinking why the Wanda is not showing to the school for so long days. So now everyone is putting, or everyone is submitting their entries for the competition. The boys won their and won their prizes when the actually result be declared. So everyone was sure, even the Peggy was sure that she is going to won the prize. But when the teacher came, Miss Mason came, and she announced that the dress competition was won by the girl who submitted 100 entries of a beautiful dresses to the school, was Wanda Petroneski, and she won it. At that time, Peggy and Maddie first time realized that yes, whatever the Wanda was showing, whatever the Wanda was saying, it was not a lie. She was describing not about her dresses. She was describing about her whatever the dresses she make as a competition entry. So through that, first time they realized that they had done something wrong. Now, at the end of the chapter, it has been very clearly mentioned that they realized that Wanda was not wrong, and everything what they are actually believing, what we are saying, it means never going to be true. Till then, we do not know the reality. We do not have to judge anyone. This is the moral of the first part of the story. Let's wait for my next video for the next part. Thank you everyone for joining. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Namaste.